Hi guys, and welcome back to my video at Team How, where I'm always excited to share new information with you. So in this video I'll be teaching you guys how you can learn SEO completely free, guys. And before we get started, I just like you to say go ahead and hit the subscribe button, comment below if this video helps you, like and share, guys. So as we all know, the best place we can go to learn about SEO is Moz.com. Okay, guys, Moz.com is somewhere that people go to learn about SEO, but they normally pay like from it's normally very expensive, guys. But because of the whole corona crisis in the world right now, they're currently offering some free courses, guys. Okay, they're offering free courses for a limited time to help us in this time of crisis. So I'm going to show you right now how to get all these paid courses completely free. And in order to do that, guys, what we want to do is go ahead and add a slash here and just add training and enter. And as you can see here, guys, welcome to Moz Academy, the fastest way to learn SEO, now offering free courses. So guys, in order to sign up for this, all we have to do is go ahead and hit the sign up for a free course right here and wait for the page to load. Alright guys, and here they give us the promo code right here, which is we got this. Okay, so if we scroll down right here, you can see some of the courses and the prices for the courses. These are the regular prices, guys, so you're getting a ton of value right here. It is the best time for you to go ahead and learn all you can about the SEO to stack up on your knowledge. This will be very helpful for a lot of folks like myself and you guys, so which is why I'm sharing this information with you, because you guys are like my family. Okay, so in order to get started with this, all we have to do is go up here now and click on sign in. Alright guys, so once the page loads, what you want to do now is go ahead and fill in these information if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, what you need to do is go ahead and click on create an account right here. I already have an account, but I'm just going to create a new one just to show you guys. So I'm going to enter an email right here, create a display name, and create a password. And once you guys have filled out everything right here, what you need to do now is go and click on I agree to the Moz terms and services and community ethique, and then click on I'm not a robot. Once that's done, go ahead and click create an account. Yay! You're almost there, guys. As you can see, activate your account to finish signing up. What we need to do here is go over to the account that I signed up with, click on Moz, and activate your account. So I'll just copy the link here. So once your account is activated, guys, you're all set. And let's see here. Please remember, guys, go to my channel. Please remember, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment and share if this video helps you. Okay, it really helps me as well. So again, what we could do now is go ahead and copy this promo code, or if you can memorize it, that would be good. So let me show you how to get the courses free now, guys. As you can see, we have a starter pack series here that is for 149. We have sequel pack series. This is a 3 course as well. It's 289. And we have another course here, which this isn't included in the we got this promo, but it's for 595. Okay, guys. So what we want to do now is go ahead and click on one of them. I'll just go ahead and click on the starter pack here, and then click on purchase. Alright, so once you're at the purchase page, guys, what you want to do is enter the promo code here, which is we got this, apply, and as you can see, the total has has been deducted, and now it is for totally free, $0. So go ahead and click purchase now, guys. And right here you can see my order has been completed, and now I can go ahead and take this course. The entire course is 68 minutes. Okay, guys, and you can see everything here is totally free. So again, guys, if this video helps you in any way, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment below what videos you would like to see next, and share. Okay, help others help you as well. Thank you. Bye.